Today, I want to talk with you about a very special subject called success. But now, success has got a lot of definitions, but I can only give you the greatest one. Success is all about self expression, doing what you want to do, going where you want to go, being the person you really are. Who are you? You must discover yourself. You must discover the potentiality in yourself. What can you do that others cannot? Because you are special. And why people they don't become the person they really are? Because they allow their reality to become greater than their dreams. And your reality will never become greater than your dreams. In order for your reality to become greater than your dreams, you must change your mentality and the way of thinking about yourself and about others. That's why today I want to share with you two secrets of success, which is the Bible and time. When we see in the Bible, we look at Mark 9:23. It says, all things are possible to those that believe in him. So what we have to do, we must believe in him. And everything that we want and we need, it shall come to us. We mustn't believe in him just like that. We must believe in him and put something in action. If you have a business, you put your business in action. And it will accompany it. You will be blessed. That's all. We are surrounded by everything. As you are powerful. There's nothing that is powerful in this world more than a human being. You are powerful as you are. Very powerful. You are over everything in this world. So don't be shaken by anything or don't get discouraged because you are powerful. There's nothing bigger than you in this world. You are above money, above cars, above everything that you think is bigger. They are nothing to you because you were created to control this world. You were created to control. So everything belongs to you. Cars you wanna drive is at the dealerships. You just have to go and test drive them. Food you wanna eat is at the restaurant. You just have to do a reservation. And money is being printed for you every single day. You must know how to withdraw your money. You know what it means. Your money will come when your mind is ready. So make sure that you make your mind ready and your money will come. Okay, let me finish with time. How many hours do you spend working on yourself? And what do you do in your time? Because your time defines your future. Whatever you are doing, it defines your tomorrow. It defines your success. That's why you see most of the rich people, they keep on expanding their energy by reading books, by following other successful people, how they made it. They keep on expanding their energy. What about you? You must think about yourself. You cannot work 10 hours for a company. When you go back home, you don't work for yourself. You must have your own work. Wake up. Think of your future. Because you were born to succeed. Because each and everyone has a purpose of living. So as a person, you must know your purpose of living. What is your purpose? What do you live for in this world? What do you live for? Ask yourself, what am I living for? Like me, I know that I'm a leader. So, like I'm a leader, I will keep leading. I will keep on leading. I won't allow anyone to come on my side to mislead me. Because some other people, they are there to mislead you, to tell you that you cannot do this, you cannot go there. No, don't allow those people in your life. And you know that in this life we have got two enemies. The first one is the physical enemy, and the second one is the spiritual enemy. When we look at the physical enemy, we see toxic people. People around you. You are surrounded by toxic people. People, those who are there to discourage you. They are there to mislead you. They are telling you wrong things, that you cannot make it. No, you are powerful. Nobody has the right to say on your life unless yourself. You must do anything because you are powerful. So don't allow those people to mislead you, to destroy your life. Because once your physical enemy attacks you and they get you, even the spiritual enemy, that will be a way for the spiritual enemy to get you as well. So once they get you, your life will be finished. So you must make sure that you keep on doing the right thing, because without that, you will never succeed. And success, you must make mistakes as well. You must try everything. Even if you make mistakes, but you must know what you are doing. Don't just make mistakes for the sake of making mistakes. No, you must know what you are doing. Thereafter, you will correct your mistakes and put them on the right page. Thereafter, you will see where you are going. If you have got plans, you must write it on a paper, or if you have got a book, put it in your book, because this life has got a lot of surprises. We never know. You can wake up in the morning and find a deal of getting millions. So what are we going to do with millions? Because if you get millions today without a plan, you will never do anything. You will never do anything. What are we going to do with the millions? You will finish it. You will finish it in less than a year because you don't have a plan. So you must have a strategy in this life of making money. You must have a strategy, because if you get a strategy of making $1 every single day, you know that every single day, if I do this is my strategy of making $1. So you will make it. So find a strategy. And I know that you are gifted. God, our Father, has given each and everyone a gift. What is your gift? Discover yourself. Discover the potentiality in yourself. What can you do that others cannot? Because you are special. You are special. You can do things that others cannot. So what you have to do, you must believe in yourself. Believe in whatever you are doing in order for you to make it. That's why my concept says most of the people dies at the age of 25. Why? Because at the age of 25, they give up on their dreams. They don't follow their dreams. And they get buried at the age of 75. So from the age of 25, they give up on their dreams until they die, till the age of 75. So that's not life. What I will tell you is to keep on following me, because I want us to succeed together. I want us to conquer this world for success. We must succeed, because this generation, most of the young guys, they are in distraction. They don't know what they are doing. They don't have any plan. So what I will suggest you to do is to keep on following me. Keep on following me. Thank you for watching my video. I hope to see you in the next video, where I'm going to talk with you about how to train your mind for success and how to train your brain for success. Thank you guys. Bye.